Hello, today we are going to design a wallet without using a single needle or thread. This is the style wallet made entirely with folding and interlocking techniques. I'm gonna show you how I'll design it and how to prepare the pattern. We start by creating our pattern on the cardboard. This secret is getting the miniature model right. We start our base by cutting a piece of the cardboard large enough to fit two credit cards vertically. Next, we double the size of the pattern to make sure the cards are fully covered. Now it is time for cash compartment. We add another section of the same size of the pattern. All basic compartments are now ready. Easy to use is everything. To make the card easy to take out, we cut the trapezoid shape area in the middle of the card holder. Making the top part wider will make accessing your card much more practical. We need to get rid of some excess material so the wallet is not bulky and folds easily. This way the wallet will look slimmer and there won't be any parts stitching out. We haven't forget the cards you use most. We are cutting quick access slot for them. Now, for the most important part that makes this wallet stitchless. Normally, you could sew the edge with machine or hand, but we are keeping the spirit of the design. To keep the cards from the folding out, we are adding the mushroom hat shaped tops on the both sides. We tuck this top into slots in the leather to create a secure lock. Finally, we add magnetic snubs to keep the wallet closed. And there we go, our pattern is ready. Now, we are applying this pattern to our 1.2mm thick Italian Veg-Tanned leather. And here is the result, a slim, stitchless wallet with quick access slots that can hold more than 20 cards. Can this design be improved even further? Definitely. By adding a pocket flap, we can create our space for coins or glider. You can use stitching or small rivet to attach it. Don't forget to subscribe for more leathercraft and design content. See you next project.